Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL's unboxing. Today we will take a look at Little Oddy from IKY from Indonesia. This is the glow-in-the-dark edition of the figure. Let's have a look at the box. Utilitarian black box. Very yummy with the sticker up top. Let's have a look inside. Okay. The figure set. But before that, it comes with yummy surprises, which includes 2 stickers, same as the chappy on top. Very nice. A certificate of authenticity. Nice. 10 out of 20. Oh, nice. Signed by the creator IKY. Laminated card. This is certified that Little Oddy resin toy 4-inch glow-in-the-dark colorway is an original artwork. The original, which exists only as an artwork created by IKY 2020. Show focus that. Pardon me as the car revs up outside the car park. Put this aside. And yes, it comes with a mini print. The artwork. Numbered accordingly. Very cool. Nice. I think it's a fabric print. You can see the textured. I don't know if you can see the textured paper. Very nice. Let's put this aside. Yeah, maybe I'll put this aside here. Now, to take a look at the figure inside. Foam. Oh, nice. It's a cutout of the figure. I'm not going to put this apart. Put this here. There is Little Oddy. Take him out. Very nicely foam cut. Very handsome packaging so far. Yeah, you can see the foam cut. Oddy is made from resin, made of resin, with this being a glow-in-the-dark edition. You can see the surfaces. I think these are stuck on. I'm not going to peel it. Looks more stuck on than paint on. But very clean though. Very clean and sharp. And I appreciate that it is not necessarily not painted on, but you can see the sharpness in the application, or rather the sticker, versus needing to paint at such a delicate detail. So this is much yums. Oh, nice. It's a sticker on the base that correlates with the numbers as well. 10 out of 20. So this entire set, 10 out of 20 with the card, certificate of authenticity, and the sketch. So this is cool. I'm trying to see. I haven't exposed the figure to light long enough to see a glow-in-the-dark effect on this figure. So probably what I would do after this video is to expose it to light, and I will take an image and post it on my Instagram. I'll put a link in my description when I do that, so you can see for yourself how this little chappy glows. You can see it on the creator socials as well, but I like to see it for myself anyways. Yeah, this is a resin piece, and it has a specific weight to it because it's resin. It's solid resin. It's not hollow. It is a solid piece of resin, sculpted by the creator himself, IKY, and applied by himself as well. I think need to check in with him on that. And I am hella excited for this figure. Yeah, to see how it glows, man, because it's gonna be quite fun. Yeah, I love the graphics also. So anyway, I will end my review right now, or rather unboxing, and stay tuned to the picture of it glow in the dark lah. I'm gonna post it later. Yeah. Thank you for watching.